My new plier kit from VEVOR. This has 5 pliers. The nice thing about these is they're really long. So you can get these in this case, rolls up real nice, keeps everything together. Because let's face it, this is a specialty kind of tool. You'll probably keep these away. But if we look at each one, they get fastened in here with this Velcro. You have kind of like this 90-degree one. You have kind of a little less than 90 degree, you know, it's a little bit more, you know, a little less, the degree is a little less. You have this one, which is really interesting. I'm not sure I'll ever use this, but this kind of is used to go around something and clamp something. Or maybe grabbing like a, you know, like a wiring harness or something like that, so you can kind of pull it off. But yeah, really neat. It almost looks like a pincher, like a, you know, like a bug. And then you have your side cutters, which these are wild. Look at those things. So yeah, these are made by those guys, VEVOR. They make like everything. And I'm looking at this. Does this connect together? Yeah, it comes together. So yeah, just wanted to show you. Really good gift for someone that's in your family, like a DIYer that has like everything. This is probably something they don't have, and it's something they would probably really appreciate. I know I appreciate it.